Welcome one and all to day 3 of Yoga with Chris, Step Astrology by Christopher Witecki. Today is I Believe. Sagittarius. So this is for all the Sagittarius out there. Alright, so today we're just going to jump right into it. Go ahead and loop the shoulders first. Take a few deep breaths. And we're going to go to the side here on our knees. Alright, so keep the right leg like this. And we're going to bring the left leg out. This is called pigeon. Take a few deep breaths. And on your last exhale, write it down. And after that third breath, exhale. We're going to go to the other side. Bring that left knee up. And we're going to straighten out the back right leg. The back right leg. Whatever. Anyways. Okay, so loop the shoulders. Breathe. Feels so good. If this is a difficult posture for you, you can skip it. But the pigeon just feels so good to me. And it really opens the hips. So we're going to take a couple breaths, and on the last exhale, we're going to rain it down to our palms, or our arms. Lift your heart up. Rain it down. Rain your head down. 3 breaths here. Okay, rain it back up. Now we're going to go Indian style. And we're going to reach the arms forward as much as we can. My light's kind of in the way here. Just reach them. Make sure your legs are comfortable. And just reach as far as you can go. Don't forget to breathe. Look up. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Okay. Now we're going to go to tabletop position. You can curl the toes under if that feels better, or you can lay them out, whichever you prefer. I like to work on straightening it out because it's really easy for me to do my toes, and I want to make it to where I can just lay my feet down. So anyways, enough rambling. We are going to go into a hip opening pose. We're going to take the left leg, bring it up, and then come up straight. Right knee to the earth. And when you're ready, if you can do this, just for about 3 seconds, we're going to lift the right knee up for a couple breaths. Okay. And now you're going to want to move your left leg a little to the side here. And we're going to go down like this. You can straighten your leg out a little bit more if you need to. Deep breaths, everyone. Deep breaths. Look upward when you inhale. And then exhale, drop it down. All right. Bring that leg back. And now we're going to do it on the other side. Bring the right foot up to your palms. And keep your knee on the ground. And we're going to lift it for 3 breaths, okay? Relax the shoulders. And in the last exhale, drop it down. All right, so move the right foot to the right edge of your mat. And we're going to go down, baby. If this is difficult, you can skip it. Don't kill your body. I'm not sure what this move's called, but I think I just made it up. One more. Okay, back to tabletop. And if you need a break, take a child's pose. Let's take a child's pose for 3 breaths. And exhale up. Now, we're going to take our right knee again, curl your toes under, go into plank, and we're going to step the right foot up to where the palms are. Keep that back left leg lifted on your toes. You got this. And then you're going to want to straighten out your back leg. Pivot on that back leg and let's raise it up. Make sure you probably feel a lot of burning in your top of your leg. But then we're going to go out to Warrior 2. I think it's either Warrior 2 or Warrior 3. I don't know, I don't care, but just do it if you can. Look to your left. Breathe, people. Breathe. You got this. And then we're going to take that left arm and go all the way down like this. And you can bring that other arm down. Alright, so let's do the same thing on the other side. Go back to plank. You can do a little downward dog here. Pedal it out. And then we're going to bring that left leg all the way up to the palms. Lift, keep that back leg, right leg lifted. I'm on my toes, so. And then, once you feel situated and balanced and stacked, you can flatten that back right foot and pivot on it and raise the arms up. Big inhale. And then exhale, warrior. Then when you're ready, inhale. And exhale, bring it all back down. There we go. And then step it back to plank, take a child's pose. To rest. Alright, so now what we're going to do, it's probably going to be a little hard, but we are going to do I don't know the names of these postures, but just follow me. Alright, so right foot grounded, alright? With integrity. And breathe. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Bring your left leg up and cuff it with your arms. And then we're going to take our right hand to our left ankle and put it on top of our right leg. And just see if you can balance here. Stay aware of the feet, or the foot, your right foot. Wiggle your left toes a little bit. Focus on something so you don't fall or crash. And we're going to be bold here and bend down a little bit. And inhale and bring the arms up. Look at me crashing. It's not easy, guys. Couple breaths here. And exhale, rain it down. Alright, so now plant the left leg. We're going to bring the right knee up and cuff it. Remember to be very aware of your left foot. Keep your shoulders down, but kind of pointed out. Spiral the heart chakra to the upward. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to take the left hand to the right ankle and sit it on top of the left leg. And we're going to get bold here. Come on, people, we can do it. Don't crash. Press into all four corners of your left foot and bring the arms up. Inhale. Three breaths. And then we unravel. Okay. So now we're going to take it to seated. And we're going to push our legs out, lay our legs out as far as we can. As far as you can go to make them straighten. And you can play here. If you can touch the bottom of your feet, awesome. If you can't, whatever. It takes a lot of yoga training to get to these positions. So if you're like right here and you can't even get to your feet, that's totally fine. Do the breath work though. Make your breath deep. So we're going to clasp the bottom of our feet over our toes, and then we're going to take our arms forward onto the forearms, and we're going to rain it down as much as we can. Big breaths. And lift up with an exhale. Alright. So now we're going to play on our back, the fun part. Roll it on back. Oh. Day 3, step 3, I believe. I believe y'all can do this for 30 days. I believe I can do this for 30 days. And I'm feeling good about it. Keep breathing, y'all. Alright, so when you're on your back, put the feet down like this. And we're going to take our feet and raise them upward. Grab them with your hands. Deep breaths into the back body. This may be uncomfortable if you're new to yoga. And exhale, rain it down. Okay, so Now we're going to take the right leg over the left leg, and we're going to bring the left leg up, toes towards the sky, and we're going to bring our hands up. Relax the shoulders, 3 breaths. Wiggle your toes, have some fun. And exhale, bring it down. Do the same thing on the other side. And release. Now take both feet. Come on, this is fun. This is one of my favorites. Take both feet and bring them up as high as you can. And if you're able to catch your back, let's just do a little weird handstand or arm stand here. If you can do this, let's do it for 3 breaths. Alright, and we'll rain it back down. Good job, everybody. Lay the feet all the way out. Arms all the way out. Thank you guys for joining me. Day 3, I believe. Tomorrow's day 4. We're gonna rock that core. Y'all get ready. Alright. Namaste. Love you guys.